The Claypot is still hot. We're adding our rice now. I've washed and rinsed my wife. 你弄到我乱去，真的是。Hi, and welcome to Spice and Pans. Today we'll be cooking Claypot fish and mushroom rice. So let's start cooking. We are proud to announce our collaboration with Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. Our local Chinese delight course features 10 of our dearest recipes for you to learn hands-on at Pots and Pans Culinary Studio. The experienced trainers here at Pots and Pans are prepped and ready to share with you the offline experience of our dishes. Join us in our exclusive local Chinese delight culinary course. Sign up with the link below or scan our QR code. See you there. Now we're going to do a marinade on our fish. I have with me over here 350 grams of fish. I'm using Toman fish, or rather known as snakehead. You can use sea bass, grouper, or any fish that doesn't have fine bones. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce, 1 tablespoon of oyster sauce, half a teaspoon of sugar, 5 grams of young ginger, julienne or cut thinly like this, a few dashes of white pepper, 20 milliliters of water, and finally 5 pieces of dried shiitake mushroom which I've rehydrated and cut them into pieces like this. Pour them all in and mix them up gently. After you've mixed them up well, we'll add in 1 tablespoon of sesame oil to seal up the juice. Mix them up again. Once you have mixed them up, we'll continue on the next step. Now we'll start to put our dish together. Heat up a clay pot using medium heat. Add in a little bit of oil. A little bit more will be good because we're going to fry our salted fish. Coat the pot with the oil. Add in 20 grams of salted fish. I've rinsed and washed them, and after cutting them into small pieces, I've rinsed them again. Otherwise, it will be too salty. Do that, please. These are the dried salted fish. Just fry them until they are a little bit crispy. They'll be a little bit more flavorful this way. If you want to fry in oil like what I'm doing, please go with the dried salted fish. If you are using those salted fish that is soaked in oil, you can skip the frying part and then just cook them with the rice. Okay, a little bit brown is what we want. Something like this will be good. We'll now remove them from the clay pot. You can turn off the heat just to prevent them from overcooking. Smells absolutely delicious. I love salted fish. Now inside your clay pot, we'll add in our rice. I've not turned on the heat for the clay pot because the clay pot is hot already. I'll just add in my rice now. I'm using 3 cups of rice, a total of approximately 384 grams. Alright, you wash and rinse them a few times. Pour everything in. Using the same cup, measure 3 cups of water, approximately 394 milliliters. Pour them all in. Now we want to have a little bit of flavor on our rice. We'll be adding in half a teaspoon of salt. Nothing too much. Half a teaspoon will be good. Turn on the heat to medium. Spread the rice around. Put the lid on. And we'll add our Chinese sausage after we see steam rising from the clay pot. I'll see you back in a while. I've been cooking this for a few minutes, and as you can see, steam is already rising up from the clay pot. Now we'll add in our Chinese sausage. 2 pieces of Chinese sausage, sliced thinly like this, slide them in. Put the lid back on, and we'll cook this for 5 minutes before we add in our fish. I'll see you back in a while. 5 minutes is up. Let's remove the lid and add in our fish. Wow, look at how beautiful this is. Pour your fish in, put everything in. Spread them out a little bit so that they will be cooked evenly. Put the lid on and we'll cook this for another 5 minutes. I'll see you back in a while. While waiting for the fish to be cooked, we are going to prepare a little bit of sauce. Very easy. 20 milliliters of hot water. Add in 2 tablespoons of light soy sauce. Half a teaspoon of sugar. And 1 tablespoon of dark soy sauce. Mix it up well and set this aside. 5 minutes is up. The fish is done. Let's have a look. Wow. Smells really, really good. Now we pour in the sauce that we prepared. Look at the smokiness. Add in our crunchy salted fish. Finally, chopped spring onion on top. And now it's time for our lunch. Now, all we have to do is just mix them up. And it's time for our lunch. Wow, smells really, really fantastic. Oh, can you hear the crispiness of the burnt rice underneath? This is going to be so good. Woohoo! And now the rice is done. Let's have a taste. I love the smell of a claypot rice. The beautiful charred smell. This is actually making my appetite bigger and bigger. So let me try this. One big mouthful. Oh. Savory. The oil dripping from the sausage flavored the rice very, very well. The mushroom, very nice. Let's try the fish. Tender and very delicate tasting. This is really, really good. So ladies and gentlemen, I hope you like our video. Do click like on our video and do subscribe to our channel. And now it's your turn to cook. See you. Bye bye. 香，砂锅饭就是好吃。